gloss in here, but that's how it looks like. Just all natural. My lip combo, I did this Hello Kitty like strawberry lip cream lip balm, and then this elf lip liner in Mauve Side.
Few moments later.
What? Smart. Oh. Ooh, beanies. Ooh.
Few moments later.
Okay, let me show you guys what I got. I got this really cute Juicy Couture bag for my cousin. It's actually really cute and definitely gonna be so cute for the winter timing. And I love the color. White elephant, I got some like these silk like pillow sheets. I always wanted them. And I also got a little coffee mug, and it has cute little bows on it.